So the next step is to remove this panel right here. You take this clip out, pretty easy, and this out. You disconnect this thingy. And you just take it out easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, so there you go. This is the panel. So now we take off this weather strip by pushing it up. Just like that. Okay, so the next step in this journey is to take off that speaker so we can have access to the crimper. Okay, I found the real size is 1/4 is the real size of that speaker, right? See? That's a speaker. So now we're gonna temporarily connect this one back so we could lower the window, see if we could access it or locate the locking tabs. So let's try to put this back. It is what it is? Oh no, this. Jesus. So I'm supposed to take this off so I can access that. I really don't like taking this thing off because it never goes back the way it should. These are the mechanism right here. These are the locking tabs right here. So this is the thing that you're supposed to take out. So the way that you do it, or I found out that I do, is you put the screwdriver in there, and that white tab right there, you push it inward until you can push that black stuff up. So let me try to do it. You guys can see it like this. So you can push this all the way so you can push that window up. Okay, so let's try to do it. I don't know if you guys can see, I hope you can. I'm pushing it up and then it slides up like that. So then you do the same thing for this side. So after you take off on this locking tab, you take off that locking tab. Now that one was a little bit tricky. What I did was I got a longer flathead screwdriver and I lowered it enough so I could see the entrance. See the entrance here? A little hole. And then I pushed the tab through there and pushed it up. So now it's unclipped. So now what I'm gonna do is take off the actual mirror right there. So that's how you take off that one and that one. It's a little bit tricky, but if you have a longer flathead screwdriver, you just push it in, just like you did here, in the little hole that it has here too. How I took it out, look at this. This thing, it got hit right there and then it started cracking everywhere. So this is the old one, it has the tabs right here. The way that I took it out, I tipped it outward like that, and then I push it like on the side like that, and then it came out. And this is the new one. Hopefully it brings the tabs. Look right here. This is a brand new. Comes with the tabs. It's all good. The same part number. So I'm gonna install it in the reverse order as I put it in. Hopefully I don't crack it. So I'm gonna put it. No.
Bueno, aquella suya no hay que meterlo todo ahí como. No relaja. Una cosa que van a ir esas mujeres van a estar viendo vehículos. Yo voy con uno, ¿a qué hora es? Por la mañana, como a las 9:30.
And the mirror is in. So now I'm gonna make sure it goes down to the locking tabs and the locks. One is locked. So let's try it out. So the locking tabs are right there. It's in. And that one went in as well. It's hard to see again, but you can see that is on there too. So yeah, that is it. So now we're gonna install everything in the reverse order.